Hi, my name is Mira Vaishnavi Anaparampa Modern. My metric number is E22A0436. Acknowledgement. We would like to extend sincere thank you to all who contributed to the preparation and submission of this report for group assignments on the Sustainable Development Goals SDG in Switzerland. First and foremost, our heartfelt thanks goes to Dr. Nick Zulfratul Fatiha binti Ismail for a valuable assistance, constructive feedback, and unwavering motivation throughout this project. Professional guidance was instrumental to the success of this work. Next, we are grateful to University Malaysia Kelantan for providing the necessary tools, resources, and conducive environment for conducting our research. Moreover, a big thank you to our group members for their collaboration, dedication, and shared efforts. The teamwork, mutual respect, and enthusiasm demonstrated throughout this project made it an enjoyable and fulfilled experience. Furthermore, we extend our appreciation to authors, research, and organizations whose works and data were essential in preparing this report. This contribution greatly enriched our understanding of Switzerland's journey in achieving the SDG goals. Finally, we are deeply thankful to everyone who support and encouraged us in bringing this project to life.
Good morning. My name is Ramjira. My matrix number is E22A0065. I'm from Group 4 and today I'm going to be presenting about our case study on Sustainability Development Goals, SDG in Switzerland. As for the Sustainable Development Goals, Switzerland is committed to Sustainable Development Goal 11, SDG 11, focusing on inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable communities. The city of Puli uses the United for Smart Sustainable Cities U4SSC project to assess and improve its urban development methods. Moreover, the city uses Key Performance Indicators (KPIs) to evaluate public services, urban planning, and environmental quality. The U4SSC program has helped Puli address issues in public transportation, social inclusion, and renewable energy use, while also prioritizing energy efficiency, inclusive policies, and sustainable mobility. And finally, Switzerland continues to incorporate international standards and encourage cooperations, highlighting the importance of participatory planning and data-driven decision-making in creating sustainable urban communities. That's all from me. Thank you.
Number 2, the importance of global development in Switzerland. The SDG aims to address global challenges such as poverty, inequality, and climate change by balancing economic growth, social justice, and environmental protection. Switzerland is one of the most successful countries in achieving SDG through clean energy. Over 50% of electricity from hydropower, reducing carbon emission. Circular economy promotes recycling, reduce waste, and foster green jobs. Sustainable innovation focus on low carbon technology, energy efficient building and transportation networks. International cooperation share technologies and best practice with other nations to promote global sustainability.
2.0 The goal in Switzerland on the economic growth. Switzerland invests in innovation and accessibility to elite with SDG-driven economic growth through productivity, job, and environment. Sustainability Development Goal SDG 7 Affordable and clean energy. Impact on economic growth. Hydropower supply over half of Switzerland energy needs. Renewable energy investment both long-term cost efficient through wind and solar energy. Job creation. Expand employment in energy technology, construction, and infrastructure, especially in rural areas. Economic benefit. Reduce operation costs for individual and business. Trend balance. Decrease reliance on imported fossil fuel and protect against global fuel price fluctuation. Impact on economic sector. Lower household costs, reduce electricity bill, enable more spending on housing and education, business competitiveness, clean energy, cut operating costs, boosting global market competitiveness, energy innovation hub, green technology like solar and geothermal, position Switzerland as a leader in energy innovation, attract investment, advance green technology draw international investors. Sustainability Development Goal SDG 8 Design Work and Economic Growth. 1. Impact on economic growth. Vocational education, employment law, creating a skilled workforce, enhancing economic competitiveness, green industry growth, expand job opportunities in reskilling, renewable energy and sustainable transportation, driving inclusion growth, fair employment practice, social protection and high minimum wage, both purchasing powers and domestic consumption. Number 2, economic stability, focus on social and economic justice, reduce income inequality, ensuring steady consumer demand and long-term growth. The last part for me, Sustainability Development Goal SDG 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure. 1. Impact of economic growth. Growth based on reduce travel time and improve cross-border trade flow, global market access, action, connectivity, and lower logistical costs, sustainability and growth, balance sustainability development with economic expansion. Number 2, major project, innovation, leadership excel in automation, methodology and technology, smart infrastructure, investment in electric transit and high-speed broadband boards, and firstly, and productivity, sustainability trade, trade railway, lower carbon emission and transport costs, extract FDI as one infrastructure, draw multinational corporation, SME support, expand SME, access to green technology and markets, strengthening the economy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Azinaja binti Aidri Pasana. My number matric is E22A0381. Today I would like to present the impact on economic growth of Sustainable Development Goals 12, which is responsible consumption and production. Switzerland's approach to Sustainable Development Goals 12 helps its economy grow in several ways by implementing a circular economy model. Business recycle waste into new products, cutting their dependence on raw materials and lowering production costs. For example, Swiss manufacturers use recycled materials instead of expensive raw materials. Additionally, sustainable Swiss-made products like luxury watches and organic food are highly sought after globally, which increase exports. Switzerland also has one of the lowest waste rates, and its effective waste management system saves money that is reinvested into important sectors such as infrastructure and education. Moving to the Sustainable Development Goals 13, Switzerland focuses on climate action through various strategies. They invest in ecosystem preservation and disaster insurance, which reduce the economic losses from natural disasters like floods and avalanches. Switzerland also invests in green technologies such as sustainable buildings and transportation, which not only create jobs but also open new markets. Additionally, Switzerland actively collaborates in international climate programs, expanding export opportunities for climate-related products and services, further boosting its economy. In conclusion, Switzerland's commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals strengthens its economy by focusing on responsible consumption, production, and climate action. The country enhances its competitiveness, reduces costs, and creates new income sources. These efforts lead to long-term sustainable economic growth that benefit the country and set an example for others to follow.
Hi, my name is Mate son of Kajendra Rao and my matrix number is E22A0407. Today I am going to talk about the goal in Switzerland impact environmental sustainability. Introduction of this is Switzerland's commitment to environmental sustainability. They mainly focus on SDG 7, SDG 9, SDG 12, SDG 13 and SDG 8. SDG 7 is affordable and clean energy, 9 is industry, innovation and infrastructure, 12 is responsible consumption and production, 13 is climate action, and 8 is decent work and environmental growth. Thank you. And firstly, we're going to see SDG 7, which is affordable and clean energy. Energy Strategy 2050 shift from nuclear to renewable energy. And second point is hydroelectric power, which is 60% of electric generation. And third one is investment in solar and wind energy. And the fourth point is energy efficient building, reduce energy consumption and emission. And the second one is SDG 8, which is decent work and economical growth. In that, green job, which is renewable energy, waste management and ecotourism. The second point is sustainable tourism, balanced economic growth and nature conservation. And the third one is corporate sustainability, which is integrating environmental practice in business. And the third one is SDG 9, which is industry, innovation and infrastructure. In Swiss Federal Railways, they implement eco-friendly public transport, reduce emission. The second one is green industry. They also implement use renewable material and recycling technology. The third one is innovation hubs. They are promoting research in green technology. Other than that, which is SDG 12, they are responsible consumption and production. Their highly recycling rate is above 50% of municipal waste recycled or used for energy. The eco label, they will encourage sustainable product choice. For example, Swiss Climate Label. And the third one is public campaign. For that, they are foster responsible consumption habits. SDG 13, which is climate action. The net zero emission target by 2050. And they also protecting ecosystem, which is glaciers and alpine regions. And the international collaboration of the climate action is climate adaptation projects. In the summary, Switzerland integrate SDG to balancing development and sustainability, act as global model environmental conservation and economic growth. And they also collaboration and innovation are the key of the continuous success of the Switzerland. Thank you.
In conclusion, Switzerland's strategy for achieving the Sustainable Development Goal shows its apprehensive dedication to achieving a balance between social well-being, environmental preservation, and economic growth. This is said to be because Switzerland has created a global benchmark for sustainable development by emphasizing a combination of sustainable infrastructure, renewable energy, and circular economy principles. Next, the country benefits economically from its leadership in advanced industrial and sustainable energy technology. Switzerland's advanced renewable energy system and hydropower not only reduce dependence on fossil fuel but also increase energy security and generate green jobs. Thank you.
Next, we're moving on to the reference. There are 6 links. All the links we have shared are sources we found for this project, showcasing Switzerland's effort and progress in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals through various reports, case studies, and analysis.
Appendix A. This appendix presents the Sustainable Development Goals, SDG dashboards, and trends for Switzerland. Appendix B. This appendix outlines the status of Switzerland's Sustainable Development Goal, SDG target, focusing on percentage-based trends indicators. Appendix C. This appendix explores Switzerland's efforts and challenges in achieving sustainable consumption and sustainable production (SCP) under SDG 12. Appendix D. The appendix provides an overview of the indicators used to monitor Switzerland's progress in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG).